Those people are climbing.
Yeah.
Very impressive.
Or something is
Stupid.
They're going to be very hungry when they get to the top.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
That answers your question about where the restaurant is.
Not at that first level. At that second level. Oh my goodness me.
If they lose their Michelin star, they get sent down to the first level. And then they have to work their way back up again.
So I have had the very great pleasure of having dinner at Le Jules Verne, the Michelin-starred restaurant on the second floor of the Eiffel Tower. Going up in that private lift just builds the excitement for what you are about to experience. And when those doors open, it's like a wonderland. Now I have my partner in crime for the night with me. How did you feel when the doors opened?
It was amazing to be that high above Paris, and the elegance of the restaurant just surrounded us.
Do you remember our view?
Yes, we had a windowed table and we looked over the Trocadero. It was absolutely fabulous.
We had the 5 courses, which start from €290 per person. There's no way I could have done 7 courses, although I recall that apart from the 5 courses, there were 2 appetizers and petit fours. Now, you and I like different kinds of food, but I can't remember exactly what this one was.
I recall it was one of the 2 appetizers, which were both delicious. The combination of the crab and the flavour of the Granny Smith apples gave the dish a rich, foamy tanginess and an uncompromising crispness, which was sensational. This was a white artichoke soup, and it was as light as anything.
Yes, I loved that too. However, I found the avant-garde presentation a bit much at times. For example, I never expected the langoustine to look like this.
This was prepared as a ravioli with a thin beetroot jelly. The light coming through the big beautiful windows at the restaurant in the Eiffel Tower gave the dish a translucent red shimmer that I'll never forget.
Yeah, it was all a bit too strong for me. I like my food to resemble food rather than something from outer space. Now this main, I recall, it was chicken and it had 2 different sauces and it was utterly delicious.
I recall I preferred the lighter white sauce, as I found the darker brown sauce a tad heavy for the subtle flavour of the chicken.
I remember that mushroom which came with it. I didn't enjoy it at all, not visually to look at, nor the taste.
Your preferences are très ordinaire. I thought the food was absolutely exquisite.
Oh, how rude! I loved the dessert, but to be honest, I was just pushing it down after so much food. I think really the best thing was the whole event. The elegance, ambiance, the view. I really enjoyed it.
The Eiffel Tower as the lights sparkled. It was fantastic to watch the lights come over Paris as I sipped the cognac.
I agree, the whole night was worth it, just for the experience.
I think the Jules Verne Restaurant is the most luxurious and styled place that we've ever been to.
Oh my God. Oh, we are going down the Eiffel Tower.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's scary.
That side now.
Down this side. Oh, the lights.
Look at this here.
This is just, that's that lower level.
Yeah. Now that level, quick.
Oh, look down there.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's where we're going down.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so freaky.
That's the angle.
Oh my goodness me. I hope those cables are strong. We have done some amazing things, and this was not our first Michelin starred restaurant, but it was a great experience and a night to remember. Definitely makes Kate's list. Thanks for watching Kate. Travel with luxury and style. You're probably just like me. You're not mega rich, you just worked hard all your life. Now you want to travel, and you deserve a little bit of luxury. Find out about all those great little hints and tips. Where to go, what to see, places to stay, and great restaurants. See you next time.